In this video, we are going to be analysing MARA. So to get straight into it, we can see we're up about 6% on the day. We're holding above our first deviation and above our 2-day anchored VWAP, showing that we're quite bullish on the day. So what are going to be those key targets to both the up and downside? So what we can see right now is, firstly, this stock does tend to move in quite a strong momentum, and then you get that bit of hesitation. So firstly, we can look at this stock as a range bound stock once we start to kind of top out. So that's one thing to be looking at this stock. But now we're kind of breaking out of this range. We do expect a relatively big move. That's one thing to note, is we are breaking out. We wouldn't be surprised to break that kind of recent high, or the 52-week high of 1283. So that's one thing we want to note, is again, we have room to run. So what are those key levels that I want to be paying attention to if we continue this run? So for right now, my main focus is on this 1330 to around 1360. This is the range of our second deviations. So coming into this range, the first time we hit it, we really expect a pullback on this stock, if not an overall reversal. So when we're playing the pullbacks, we're looking to take profits relatively quickly and just moving our stops to break even, just in case it's only a pullback. So for this level, I would tend to use about the 1250, looking to lock in profits here, moving my stop to break even. So that would be the first trading opportunity. If we continue to go back and it's more of an overall reversal, not just a pullback, then obviously we're going to have targets at 1060 and the 1085 on the remainder of the position. Now that level is also key to know. If you're a long bias trader, you don't like playing reversals, then if you want to jump in on the trend, then a pullback to 1085 to 1060 range, that's where we could be looking at it long bias, if we can pull back all the way to there. So again, we talked about then the support down here and what we would basically use as a target. We then also talked about then the 1330 and how we can use that. Now what we are really talking about, our main focus will be on this 1575 to 1660. Now this is our third deviation between the 6 month and the 1 year. When we come into this level, very rarely does a stock ever trade above this level, and even if it does, tends to be very short-lived. So if we see the stock start trading up into these highs, really looking to play against it, really looking to play that overall reversal. And even if I'm a long bias trader, I don't ever trade past this value, because again, the likelihood of putting back is so much greater than the chance of it continuing up, that there is just no sense to risk to reward from at least how I analyze stocks. So that's really my main focus on this stock, is as we continue up, short bias at the 1330 to 1360 range, and then even more short bias if we could push all the way to the 1575 to 1660. And again, that's me being a reversal trader. If you're a trend trader, you will use these levels more as supports. So obviously if we come back to test the 1085, potentially looking to trade that long bias. If we break and hold the 1360, again, these can be our long bias levels. And again, I wouldn't use the third deviations, even if I am a long bias trader, just because the chance of them falling down is so much greater than it continuing up. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, you will probably enjoy this video too.